Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. So, today's adventure, well, it started out as an outing and it turned into an adventure.
An adventure.
So, we're here at Voyageurs National Park. We're staying at the Pines of Kabetogama. And basically, in order to explore Voyageurs, you have to either travel by boat or by plane, because it's, I think I heard it was 200 lakes and 500 islands, something like that. So they're all remote and you have to go by boat or plane. So what you do if you want to go by boat, you do one of the tours, which we were able to book last minute. We started out this morning at 9 a.m., left right from the marina here.
It was very nice.
And the boat is like a pontoon boat.
It's a pontoon boat.
So
like a party boat.
I'm thinking, okay, leisurely boat ride on the lake, because I don't like boats.
She does not like boats.
I don't like little
water.
boats. So it all started well, yeah.
Yep.
Our guide Paul and his wife Joy were super nice, from around here, so they were telling us all sorts of stories.
Just passed the road the other night. No tax and tips came out. He was going to charge $5 a head and $200 mandatory tip. Yeah.
And we went out to the first stop, which was Ellsworth. I don't know what you call it. The couple's name was Ellsworth, and he made
A garden.
stones,
A sculpture garden.
sculpture garden out of stones for decades. And now it's part of the national park, which I'll share those videos with you, or pictures.
This is the site of the original Ellsworth cabin. The cabin was torn down by the Parks Department, and apparently a group of people wanting to come in and do historic preservation came in, and the only thing left was the chimney. So they built this pavilion around the chimney to mark the spot.
Having a lot of fun right up until the soaking. Till our deluge of water.
But then we were supposed to go to, I think it's called the Kettle Falls Hotel.
Susan was very excited to get to Kettle Falls Hotel, because you can only get there by water.
Yeah, and people talk about the architecture, so you should have been excited too.
Yes, should have.
Should have been. So we're out on the water, and if you can't tell, it's overcast and the high is 55 and it's breezy, and when you're out on the water, it's cold.
There was a 2-foot chop on the lake, which is just crazy considering it's a lake.
So our guide Paul is trying to get us through the chop on this pontoon boat, so he's going kind of fast, and he's like, you might get a little wet. Little wet doesn't accurately describe it. So if you've ever been to like Disney and you're on the water flume ride or on the spinning raft that goes in the water and gushes of water come at you, that's what it was like.
And it's 53 degrees.
Yeah. So there was us two and another lady, and we all got soaked. We were kind of dressed for it.
Well, at first we were just getting little splashes, no big deal. And then there were 2 times the water came up over the front, just soaked us.
And Rob and I are sitting on the front, on the, I guess, the driver's side, and the other lady was sitting by herself on the passenger side. Very nice boat, comfy. But I could see the water coming. Rob kind of had his back to it.
Oh, I totally had my back to it. I wanted
it
to
was
keep my head out of it.
like a tidal wave of water. And, you know, I'm on the water, which I'm not comfortable with anyway, and I start nervously laughing. Because it was gushing at us. So it was.
There was like 4 inches of water in the boat, like washing over my shoes. I was like,
Yeah.
and I'm thinking hypothermia.
So, you know, I was thinking, you know, this is perfect because I came up with our slogan, our motto, whatever it is. Our RV is, the model is a chateau, which means castle. So I thought, okay, your chateau, your adventure. Because there's always people on the internet. If you have facilities, is that camping? If you have AC, is that camping? Yes, it is. So our slogan is your chateau, your adventure. And today we had an adventure.
For sure. It was an experience.
It made it memorable.
And I felt so bad for Paul and for Joy. Their engine ended up getting waterlogged, and so they were nice enough to have their call their father to pick us up at one of the visitor centers. And
luckily
bring us back.
we limped to the visitor center dock. So
yeah, if your engine stops working on this lake, I don't know what you do.
it's a big lake.
It's a big lake.
Yeah.
2 foot.
So we're soaked and we're cold, and we go to the visitor center, and there's this beautiful big stone fireplace that's not on, and we're like, why not? And oh, the flue wasn't working or something, so they weren't allowed to turn it on. So they brought out this little teeny tiny space heater.
We were very happy for the space heater.
And I just stood in front of it for a while.
So we are just soaked to the bone.
And I went to the bathroom, and they have the hand dryer heated air thing. I just stood under that for a while. But we made it back safely.
Yep.
I love full hookups because I took a long, hot shower, which was good. But it was quite the adventure today.
Yeah, and the lake is beautiful. They had a number of stories about the locals, about the...
Growing up here, and
Yeah, it was very cool. We were having a lot of fun right up until the soaking. Till our deluge of water.
So the thing getting me through it was like, okay, we're going to go to this hotel and people talk about it and we could have lunch, and I'm imagining this big fireplace going, keeping us warm.
Meanwhile,
No.
we're soaked through to our underwear and our jeans. If you've ever had wet sneakers, like, they are sopping wet. And I'm thinking, we got to turn around now. Like, I'm not even thinking about this hotel anymore. And then when I heard about their engine, I felt horrible because part of me was like, yes. we got to drive back. What a shame.
But I wanted to see the hotel.
She wanted to
and
see
you
the
can
hotel.
only get there by boat. And this is pretty remote. We're like in northeastern Minnesota.
Minnesota.
And yeah, but we had a good time.
We had a
We
great
made
time.
memories. We got our magnet.
Got our magnet.
We have officially explored Voyageurs National
Yes.
Park. If you're interested in camping here, the only camping in the park
Tent camping.
is tent camping, remote. You have to take a boat, bring you there, do a little hike, set up your tent.
There are bears.
That's not what we're doing. No,
No, we are not.
There are campgrounds along the perimeter of the lake, and we are camping there.
two of the funny jokes that came out today is we asked them, when does winter start? And Joy said June.
Because we're all dressed like this.
Exactly. That was pretty funny. And then one of them was, we were out in the middle of the lake and stopped, and he was about to give us a story, and I said, this is where you tell us the trip is now doubled.
Because we're out like in the middle of nowhere in the water after driving out for like 45 minutes. So the bad news is our 5 to 7 hour tour turned into a 2-hour tour, 2.5 if you include the ride home. But nice people. It is beautiful out here.
It is beautiful.
And yeah, this is our summer trip.
Woo! I haven't worn a pair of shorts yet, damn it.
We had one kind of hot day in North Dakota, but other than that, it's been like 50s, 60s during the day.
Yeah.
So you don't hear me say this often, but I could go for a little warmth right about now.
Well, especially last summer. By this point, it was already like 90 degrees everywhere we went.
Well, we went south last summer.
South.
My brilliant plan this year was to stay north. It's working out brilliantly.
Yes. Well, it is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
I just need 10 more degrees.
And the nighttime sleeping is perfect.
Oh, yeah. Just open up the windows and stuff. It's
Yeah.
been nice.
So, anyway.
Oh, we've had a bout of no-see-ums. So for like 2 nights,
in the RV,
we've been getting little bites, and
I have been feasted upon.
Yes.
And I am itchy all the time.
Hopefully that's over today, but we will keep you updated on that.
Yeah.
That has not been fun.
So we've had some, what do you call it? Not assumptions, but we've pondered how we got these no-see-ums.
Yeah, we don't know.
We're not sure. They snuck in, or they came through the screen, which is diabolical, because that's not supposed to happen.
And quite literally, we haven't seen anything on us. Like,
yeah, that's why we're calling them no-see-ums. But I got the little tiny welts wherever they've bitten me.
Yeah.
So we have enjoyed.
And we did the laundry here, like right down to the sheets and the bedding and everything. Yeah. And the laundry here is not cheap.
It's $3.25 for each cycle. So one load wash and dry is $6.50. It's highway robbery.
It really is.
But things are clean.
Things are clean. We were thankful to have it.
Yes. Appreciate having it.
Appreciate having it.
Appreciate the price.
Yeah, a bit much.
Yeah. So we're enjoying our time here, and I joke I am not an adventurous person, so a good walk is my idea of adventure. We got our adventure today. So just remember, your chateau, your adventure. And if that means shopping, great. If that means sitting doing nothing, perfect.
Perfect for me.
If that means getting soaked on a pontoon boat, great. So our next stop, we are heading further east. We leave tomorrow. And trying to think where we head next. I can't think right now. I gotta check my.
I go where my wife tells me, and I say yes.
That's right, because I planned the whole thing.
She did plan it all. Amazing. RV Trip Wizard, we love it.
Yes, not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. No sponsors.
No
sponsors.
That's not true. Mud Flaps
did not sponsor us. They just gave us a shout out.
No. They gave us the QR code, which I'll post here again.
Really?
And if you use it for your discount, we get a little teeny kickback. So, and I mean
that's
teeny.
a first for me.
Oh, he didn't know that part.
I
but
didn't know that part.
So, not officially a sponsor unless you use Mud Flaps.
And I like Mud Flaps. I've been using it pretty much every single stop this trip.
I'll have to share what we're saving so far. I haven't put that in the spreadsheet yet.
I'll do another little post. We pulled into a gas station this time, and they had biodiesel, and I had never heard of biodiesel, so I did a quick Google search, and sure enough, I can run biodiesel in my Sprinter van. So, okay, great. So I go ahead and I load it up, and we're only staying about a mile from the place anyway, so we pull over, and I start doing more research, and there are 3 different types of biodiesel, and apparently there's only one that can run in the vehicle. So I start freaking out because I've never used biodiesel before. I contact one of my friends who's a trucker, and he goes, "Oh yeah, I don't think you can use that in a lot of vehicles." And I'm like, "Oh shit, what did I just do?"
Then why is it at the gas station for trucks?
They there's a Sprinter mechanic that I luckily was able to connect with, and he told me that, yeah, we can run the B20 biodiesel without any issues at all, which is apparently what we have. So that worked out well. And we only had to put in like just over half a tank anyway, so it was still half a tank of diesel, and then we had the hot shots in there. But I was, for several hours, sweating, thinking I had to suck out all the diesel, all 47 gallons out of the tank and start over again, like when somebody puts diesel in a regular gas engine. So that was a bit of excitement for me, and Susan was just like, wah, 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 wah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
What do I know? Your chateau, your adventure.
Oh, this trip has been an adventure.
Signing off.
Signing off. I think that's it.
That's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's it, people. Bye.
Bye.
Hashtag summer life.